We have this adorable cat tree. Join me, Salem and Acer, to unbox the Makesure Bootsy cat tree. And really excited to see what this looks like in person. The photos are so adorable on their website. And so right off the bat, you can see this is like the scratching posts that go on it, which are going to be really awesome for my cats. I really love the colors, like the light blue, and you'll see green soon. I just think it's such like nice, fun, but subtle colors to add to your house. The top of it is this really plush, really soft bed that you can see Salem already wanting to get into, and he's really curious about this entire thing. I swear my cats know when something is for them, or maybe they just think they own everything. So these are the boots, which are the bottom of the cat tree. Again, so cute, so funky. I love the green color. I was a little bit like wondering how stable that this would be, or like how heavy the boots would be, but it's actually really genius. They're hollow and you fill them up with water, which makes them really heavy, really stable, so that your cats, even as big as my cats, can easily jump on this and it'll stay still. Another thing about this is it has the most simple instructions and only like, I think 6 screws or like pieces that you have to put it together. So it's insanely easy to put together and it takes like 2 minutes. These are all the components, and in a matter of like 5 minutes, we have this adorable cat tree. They immediately both jumped on it. Salem actually jumped on it first, and you can see that he wants to join Acer up there, but it's not quite big enough for 2 cats. I moved it over to the window so that they could look out the doorway, and they're just loving it. Like, it fits them perfectly, and they're big cats, and it's just such a great addition.